Today, I have invited you to update you on matters relating to the payment of compensation to affected poultry farmers. As of now, government has released 20,105,718 cedis, 3 pesewas, which was meant for the following activities. Details of the release amount is as follows: stamping out decontamination and disposal materials. 2. Compensation to currently affected farmers and some outstanding compensation from the outbreak of 2015 and 2018. Rollout. Number 3, rollout of a communication plan. These are the 3 measures. Following the release of part of the approved funds, it was observed that between July and December 2021, the number of farms and birds affected have doubled. As at October 2021, when the cabinet memo was approved, 261,000 birds, 1,243 bags of feed, and 1,447 crates of eggs had been destroyed as a result of the disease. The ministry also received the requisite data on the number of farms that were affected during the outbreak of 2016, 2017, and 2018. An outstanding 36 poultry farms will also receive their compensation. Those who have experienced outbreaks in the year 2022, that's the current year, throughout the country, have also been captured in the database of the ministry and will be subsequently, in consultation with the Ministry of Finance, be taken care of. Affected poultry farmers between July and December 2021 should collect their certificates of destruction from the Veterinary Services Directorate and submit to the Finance and Administration Unit of the Ministry of Food and Agriculture for commencement of payments. Ladies and gentlemen, before taking my seat, I wish to urge all farmers to intensify their biosecurity measures on farms and to avoid restocking of farms until biosecurity certification and management practices are certified by the Veterinary Services Directorate and the Animal Production Directorate. Also, a biometric registration and certification of all poultry farmers in the country currently is ongoing. I urge all farmers to lend themselves to the biometric processes so they can be captured in the comprehensive database of poultry farmers in the country.
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. On behalf of my colleague poultry farmers, we want to thank you because we appreciate what you have done so far, because the farmers have been hard pressed, waiting to get some money as a relief compensation as to the birds they've lost because of the avian influenza. We are grateful that you've also included the past years the farmers who lost their birds and have not been paid. It's a great appreciation to the ministry and to the government. We also thank you for the intent to register the poultry farmers by biometric system. We know that this is going to help the industry and the government as a whole economically, because with this biometric registration, it will help us to monitor every activity that is going on in the industry. So we are very much grateful to the ministry and the government